Krishna Water Dispute Tribunal has
Hmm.
already allotted 170 or 177, I think 170, 177 TMC of water for Karnataka, in their few years back. And this is for the Upper Krishna project, the UKP, which is in Bagalkot and Bagalkot, Bijapur, and this region. And in the dam of the Almaty Dam height is presently 519 meters,
Hmm.
and it has to be raised to 524 so that there is complete utilization of the 177 TMC of water, because presently only around 120 TMC of water is being utilized,
Okay.
because the height of the dam is not increased. Once the height of the dam is increased, this 50, 57 TMC water that is being not utilized, and it is going wasted and it is going to Andhra. Uh, that water, see, that's a huge amount of water, around 50 plus TMC of water, which is getting unutilized. And if that amount of water gets utilized, then the demand of all these farmers and drinking water issue in Hubli Dharwad and Gadag and parts of Bagalkot, this problem will be solved. When you have more than 50 TMC of water not being utilized,
Hmm.
let's utilize that first, and then let's start aiming at other unutilized water sources.
Okay.
म्हादय वेली तरी ताचो लाव खंय बेळगांव धारवाड हुबळीक जावचो ना ह्या विभागाचो आपाचो मुखेली 53 वरांचो दावो.
Madai, you're diverting it to and connecting it to Malaprabha.
Hmm.
Malaprabha river, the dam is in Saudati.
Hmm.
It crosses Khanapur. It crosses Khanapur, reaches the Bailongal. From Bailongal and parts of Saudati, the backwater of the dam is there.
Hmm.
So land acquisition, they are going to lose their land, and nothing else is going to happen. But the major issue that I am worried about is two things: is uh, people of Khanapur and Belgavi Taluka, they will be hit, because this is going to have huge economic, environmental impact on Khanapur Taluka and Belgavi Taluka.
उशेलांक जाय म्हूण म्हादय काळी न्हंयचो बळी म्हादय वरफा फाटल्यान ऊसकारांची लॉबी म्हूण दावो.
Now the issue is not only with Mhadei, the sugar lobby is also behind River Kali.
Okay.
River Kali, flows basically in the same region, but enters the tributaries. There are some tributaries of the River Kali from Avir Wildlife Sanctuary also, from Bhimgarh also. They go to Dandeli. From Dandeli, it goes to back to Karwa. They are aiming for that. They want to divert that river and take it to uh, the eastern side.
Hmm.
So the whole purpose here is the sugar lobby also saying one thing, and then it is not only for drinking water.
Hmm.
Okay, 50 TMC is there. No, how much people are going to drink? And only in
Okay.
Hubli Dharwad people want to have drinking water. The rest is going to be utilized for irrigation purpose.
Okay.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी.